The 2027 Audi RS6 Avant redefines the modern performance wagon, pushing the limits of what a family vehicle can be, while maintaining the aggressive DNA of the RS performance lineup. Blending razor-sharp aesthetics, mind-bending power, everyday usability, and futuristic technology, the latest RS6 Avant is more than just a car, it's a statement. From the first glance, the 2027 RS6 Avant demands attention. The design updates for this model year are bold yet refined. A lower, wider stance is accentuated by sharp LED matrix headlights, an aggressively contoured front bumper, and the signature honeycomb grille finished in gloss black with RS badging. Audi's signature LED light bar connects the rear taillights, adding a futuristic touch that emphasizes the car's width and stability. Despite its aggressive looks, the RS6 Avant retains its wagon proportions, providing the perfect blend of performance design and everyday practicality. At the heart of the 2027 RS6 Avant is a thoroughly re-engineered 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, now featuring mild hybrid technology and revised software tuning. The result is a staggering 690 horsepower and 700 pounds-foot of torque, channeled through an 8-speed Tiptronic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system. The RS6 Avant launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, numbers once reserved for supercars. Top speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour, but with the optional Dynamic Package Plus, it can be raised to 190 miles per hour. Enhancing its dynamic capabilities, the RS6 Avant features adaptive air suspension with RS-specific tuning. It can lower the ride height for better aerodynamics and handling, or raise it for extra clearance. Optional dynamic ride control (DRC) and rear wheel steering provide sharper cornering and increased agility, despite its size and weight. For those who want the ultimate control, Audi's Drive Select system allows fine-tuning of throttle response, steering weight, suspension stiffness, and exhaust sound. Whether in comfort for cruising or RS mode for performance, the RS6 adapts seamlessly to its environment. It's a rare breed, a car for enthusiasts, families, and anyone who refuses to settle for ordinary. Whether you're drawn by its monstrous power, everyday comfort, or bold styling, the RS6 Avant delivers on all fronts. In short, the 2027 RS6 Avant isn't just a great Audi, it might just be one of the greatest all-around cars ever made.